welcome to Electrified Future. Well, I just received my ChargePoint Home Flex, and I'm going to do the installation. Now, wife has the Model X, should say had the Model X, and she basically traded that in for a Audi e-tron. We picked it up on the 17th, so that's a couple days ago. I haven't made a video on that yet, but I guess I will just show some videos of some shots I took the day we got it. Anyway, but I still have my Model 3 waiting for the Ford Mustang Mach-E, and I'll be trading in the Model 3 for that. So hopefully I can get the Mach-E soon. Alright, I think I open it this way. So the two sides are cut, that part are cut, and I think that's all that needs to be done to open this thing up. Oh, there you go. Alright, and what we're looking at here, I'm going to get out of the light. Alright, so this thing looks pretty fantastic. I gotta say, I gotta thank Tom for giving me the thumbs up for getting this. That's Tom from Inside EV. Actually, it's Tom along from, he has his own site, so, but he's on the Inside EV vlog. But I gotta say, thanks for the thumbs up on getting this unit. So, I was gonna send this to him to do the test, but he said he already has it, all that good stuff, so that's great. Well, I mean, that's all there is to it. Let me see here, just how the plug are to come connected with this. Looks like, yep, Nina 1450. That's basic crap. Not sure what else is in here. Well, I'm not really an unboxer or even a YouTuber, but in any given case, I may show the video of how I get this done. I'm in my basement right now, so I already have, if I move over here real quick, I already have the cover taken off the panel, and this is basically my panel. It's a small unit. Basically, this is getting, if you look here, that's the main. That's coming in with 2 hots of 100, and and I wouldn't suggest anyone who doesn't have any kind of degree or engineering degree and electrical to do any of this stuff, and I do, so yes, so yeah. I can do this. Anyway, that's all basic things. So I'll pop that bottom one out, move it over, put it in the double, get it installed tomorrow, and may show just a video of the final touches when I get it done. Either way, this is really it. This is a quick short video, and I'll probably take another one of my wife e-tron. It's pretty nice, and probably do some comparison between it and my Model 3 before I get rid of that one. Anyway, that's it for now, and you know, like and subscribe, share this content. Have a good one. Yeah, welcome back to Electrified Future. Just want to show you a quick completion of my main. Again, my main is just a little 100 amp 2-pole. There you go. This is everything that's installed in there right now. And this one is the 60 amp we just recently added. That's going to be for our charge point. That's going to be in the front of the house. Okay, I'll take another quick snip on how we connect the charge point, hardwire it, and get it tested. I'm in the front of my house. This is where I'm going to be installing the ChargePoint charger. As you can see, I whip out the template and I mark the holes and just finished the cutout. Next, I'm going to actually mount the unit, do a test mount, and pull through the wiring, and that should be it. Okay, so installation almost complete. Basically, starting to rain a little bit, so I'm gonna quick this up. Just gonna show you my wiring real quick. There you go. You got the caulking I put on the bottom, and as you can see, all the wiring is hooked up as expected, and so forth. The white wire is my ground, the red is hot, and the black is hot for leg 1 and leg 2, and the white one is ground there. Okay guys, installation complete. As you can see, I also went ahead and turned it on and connected to the Wi-Fi. Everything is working great. I haven't done any charges just as yet, but just want to let you guys know that this installation has been complete. Okay, taking a look under here, as you can see, the tab is there, seal tab, and those 2 small holes look like they come with need 2 small screws. Mine did not come with those small screws, and I'm going to ask ChargePoint about that, because if you pull on the bottom, the cover just comes off very easily. So I'd like that to be permanent, so I'm going to ask on the screws. Well, that's about it, and